So the next one is I'm going to go ahead with this operator. I'm going to take a class. I'm going to make it as point. The class name is point, and I'm going to use public static void main. And here I'm going to take two data types, that is int x comma int y. Okay, I'll use a constructor. This is not necessary. I'll use a constructor which is point. In this, I'm going to give a parameterized constructor. So I'm going to pass two values. I will pass two values as int x and int y itself. In the previous case, what you had seen was in the square part, right? You had taken L, length is equal to L. These two are different names. So length is a part of your data type, that is your data member, and L is a parameter, easily differentiable. But here what happens, your data members are also x and y, and the parameters passed is also x and y. At this point of time, just to avoid confusion, we will use something called as this pointer. So basically, my class data member x, okay, should be equal to this parameter x. But how do you differentiate it? My class parameter will be given a keyword, that is this dot, that is object of the object's x value will be the value which you have passed. In the same way, I'm going to take this as object's y value will be equal to the y that you have passed. Okay, and then if I have a simple void disp function, and in this I'm going to give sys out x is equal to, in the same way y is equal to, and then if I'm going to take a object of this, what I'm going to do, point p is equal to new point. Two values you have to compulsorily pass, because notice one thing, in this class we do not have a default constructor, so I cannot leave it blank. You have to pass two values because you have what, only one constructor which is a parameterized. Okay, hence if you give here p dot disp function, we'll run this, so you're able to get the values. Okay, so this is about this pointer.